Today, we're breaking down Trump's new executive order on federal hiring. What does it mean for you? President Trump has just signed an executive order titled Reforming Federal Hiring and Restoring Merit to Government Service. This order is set to shake up the way federal jobs are filled, prioritizing merit over political affiliations. So what does this mean? For starters, federal agencies will now focus more on candidates' skills and qualifications, rather than who they know or their political connections. This aims to create a more efficient and fair hiring process. Additionally, the order mandates a closer look at large private organizations, nonprofits, and educational institutions with endowments exceeding $1 billion. These entities will undergo scrutiny for their diversity, equity, and inclusion or DEI practices. By ensuring these standards are met, the administration hopes to promote fairness and meritocracy in both the public and private sectors. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor these developments and their impact on federal hiring practices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.